Hey guys, we're going to quickly review participial phrases L3. So remember that a participle or participial phrase, it acts, or it is a verbal, so it's going to be some kind of action verb, but it's being used as an adjective, and it's going to end in ing or ed 99.9% of the time. So what you're going to be working on is combining sentences using participial phrases. So we have two sentences. Jack removed his coat. Jack rushed to the river. So to combine those, we know they're both about Jack. Either one of these is going to be turned into a participle. So I'm just going to use the first one. So we'll say removing his coat, comma, Jack rushed to the river. I'm just going to leave it there. You know how to finish it. The next one, Lynn knew the importance of exercise. She was a gymnast. Okay, so we're both about Lynn. We have different kind of verbs here. We have knew and was. So another form of was is have. So we're going to put having been a gymnast, Lynn knew the importance of exercise. And you can finish that. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. So just look at both of the sentences and see which one would be easiest to turn into a participle, add that ing or ed ending, and make sure you're separating them with the punctuation. Okay, you do not have to put the participle at the beginning of the sentence. I just happen to do both of these examples like that. You can certainly put them in the middle or the end as well. Just make sure if they're in the middle, it's separated by commas. If they're at the end, it's separated by a comma.